If you are currently browsing a tech store in 2026 and considering picking up a first-generation Apple smart speaker, you need to step away from the shelf immediately. Investing your money in the original HomePod Mini right now is a massive mistake because the landscape of smart home automation is on the verge of a complete transformation. According to undeniable leaks from overseas supply chains, the highly anticipated HomePod Mini 2 is no longer just a rumor, it is entirely manufactured, boxed up, and aggressively hidden from the public eye. While a quick search for the next generation release date might yield confusing timelines, the shocking truth is that millions of these new devices are currently sitting in secret storage facilities. Apple is intentionally hoarding this new hardware because a catastrophic software bottleneck regarding their localized AI features is forcing a massive delay in their release roadmap. The physical production of the HomePod Mini 2 is 100% finished, meaning we are no longer waiting on complex design tweaks or acoustic engineering fixes. Supply chain insiders have confirmed that the internal sensors, redesigned acoustic mesh, and logic boards were finalized months ago, leaving a mountain of these smart speakers gathering dust alongside unreleased Apple TV hardware. So why haven't they launched it to grab that quarterly revenue? The current generation speaker is suffocating on the ancient S5 processor, originally seen in the Apple Watch Series 5, making it a computational dinosaur incapable of handling a modern smart home ecosystem without severe thermal throttling. To solve this disastrous bottleneck, Apple is making an unprecedented leap directly to the cutting-edge S10 silicon. Built on highly refined TSMC 3nm architecture, this chip provides the desktop-class neural engine power required to run localized large language models seamlessly. This massive processing power is absolutely non-negotiable because Apple Intelligence demands extreme on-device capabilities to maintain the company's strict privacy standards. You simply cannot process advanced AI on the old S5 chip without the device physically overheating on your kitchen counter. Right now, the current iteration of Siri on a smart speaker is widely considered a frustrating digital egg timer that struggles with complex room automations, often defaulting to a useless web search on your phone. Apple's executive team knows this, and they are terrified of launching the HomePod Mini 2 only to have tech reviewers tear apart a clueless voice assistant. They are refusing to ship this $99 hardware until the massive AI overhaul integrated into the upcoming iOS ecosystem is entirely bulletproof, ensuring you get a smart assistant that truly understands deep context and manages your home flawlessly without sending your private voice data to the cloud. Beyond raw processing power, the connectivity upgrades are arguably the most exciting part of this leaked smart speaker. Supply chain manifests reveal that the HomePod Mini 2 will feature the highly anticipated N1 networking chip, bringing native Wi-Fi 7 support, Bluetooth 6, and a vastly upgraded Thread border router protocol to your smart home. This ensures lightning-fast speeds, zero network congestion, and seamless Matter accessory integration without frustrating dropped packets or router lag. Furthermore, the inclusion of the second-generation U2 ultra-wideband chip gives the device pinpoint exact spatial awareness. Imagine walking into a room and having the speaker instantly detect your iPhone's precise location, automatically bypassing voice commands to load your customized Apple Music queue perfectly synced to your arrival. For the audiophiles wondering about sound quality, the internal acoustic drivers have been completely re-engineered from the ground up to deliver a significantly heavier bass response and much clearer vocal separation. This will drastically improve everything from daily podcasts to Apple TV 4K stereo integration. Aesthetically, the classic, heavily saturated colors are reportedly being replaced by a sophisticated, muted modern color lineup designed to blend effortlessly into high-end furniture and minimalist home decor. If you are wondering when the wait will finally end, industry analysts point directly to September. With iPhone 18 display panel production ramping up, Apple is preparing a perfectly synchronized ecosystem launch. Releasing the completely revamped, S10-powered smart speaker right alongside the new iPhone lineup creates a retail juggernaut designed to upgrade your entire tech ecosystem in one seamless transaction. Ultimately, do not buy the outdated first-generation tech today, hold on to your cash for the September keynote and prepare for a device that finally delivers a fully realized, AI-driven digital assistant.